I drew this bare illustration a while ago and have been wanting to make a dripping effect frame for it. I bought a cheap square frame from a second-hand shop to use as the base. I then used a can of expanding foam to create rough drips. I continued to build this up until the frame was completely covered. I waited a full 24 hours for the foam to finish expanding and to completely dry before carrying on to the next step. I began to carve out drips with the scalpel. They didn't have to be completely smooth at this point, as I would even them out later. This was the most time-consuming part of the project and took a few days to complete. Once I finished carving, I used multi-purpose filler to fill in any air holes, dents or mistakes. Once dry, I sanded everything down for a smoother finish. To help create the goopy, slimy effect I was after, I used 2-part quick drying resin and coated the frame. This helped give it a glossy appearance while also smoothing the surface. white tone primer spray so it was ready for painting. Ideally, I would have liked to use spray paint to colour it, as it would have given a perfect smooth finish for this project. However, I needed the colour of the frame to perfectly match the background colour of the illustration I made. So I decided to use acrylics, which could easily be mixed to the correct colour I needed. Then I used a super heavy gel gloss medium to help even out any imperfections. This goes on white but dries completely clear. The finish effect was a little more bumpy than I had hoped for, but I actually ended up really liking it as it reminds me of goopy custard. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'd love to know what projects you've been doing during quarantine. Thanks for watching, bye!